Hi guys, I hope you're well and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to be doing a makeup look, which is this makeup look here, using the Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette, which I cannot explain how much I love this palette. It's such a nice palette, I love it. I've created this like cherry kissed party look for you, like a naked, kind of like a bit of a smoky berry eye, but not too smoky, and you could even wear it in the day. Like, I wear this look in the day just because I'm extra when it comes to makeup in the day, and I just get really excited, so I still wear this look in the day. Maybe not as smoky on the bottom, but yeah, so I really hope you like this tutorial. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and yeah, let's get started with this look. Okay, so I've already got one eye done, as you can see, so it's not fully done, but I've basically done the lid bit, and so we're going to do the other eye. First thing we're going to do, of course, I'm going to keep on glancing over here because this is where my mirror is. So the first thing we're going to do, of course, is use the Urban Decay Primer Potion on my eyelid, and just work that all into my lid. Then we're going to go in with the gorgeous Naked Cherry palette. Oh my god, I'm so excited about this. Look how pretty it is. I go in it with is Feels, so it's this kind of like mauvey, it's like a mid mauve shade. And I'm just going to blend that into my crease, but I'm going all the way over to really kind of bring this cherryness all over my lid. Then I'm going to go in with the shades Bing and Devilish together, these two. So I'm just going to dip the brush in both and just start working into my outer corner. I'm going into my crease, but not like all the way. I'm kind of just staying on the outer corner. I'm going to take a slightly smaller crease brush and take the shade Privacy and Devilish together. So Privacy is like the dark brown shade, and I'm just going to work that into my outer corner. And I'm going to go back with the Feels and a little bit of the Bing on the bigger crease brush and just go over where I went before, so everything's kind of nicely blended together. So there you go, kind of getting that same effect that you've had in the other eye. Then I'm going to take another fluffy brush and I'm going to take the shade Juicy, which I like to wear just kind of like every day, just on my lid, all over the lid. That's the base for the shimmer. And then I'm going to take a flat brush, I'm going to take the shade Bang Bang, which is the ultimate rose gold shimmery shade. It's got like specks of glitter in it as well, it's so pretty. So I'm just pressing that on rather than blending it on. And then I'm just going to take this shade here, Turn On, which is like a more of a goldy rose gold. I'm just going to press that onto my lid. That gives a really nice look. I'm just going to take this crease brush again that I've been using and just go over the areas we've been working, just to make sure we've kind of everything looks nice and neatly blended. Then I'm just going to do a very thin eyeliner, which is basically what I wear these days. I don't like anything too thick. So I'm literally just going along my lash line. And when you do it this way, it kind of like automatically flicks out the end. And then just to make it flick up rather than down, on bud, and just do that. Take the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On in the shade Hustle, which is like a nice daytime if you don't want to go like major smoky eye. And I'm just going to double coat that so it stays. These glide-ons are so good. They glide on and they stay so well. And now for concealer. So I've already used concealer on this side. I'm just going to go in with the Urban Decay All Nighter. And I'm literally, before, do you remember I used to just pile it on? I'm trying not to pile it on these days. So it's just going and I'm dotting it on rather than like whoosh. That's it. That's all I'm using. Because when you get older, you just don't want too much product under the eyes, you know. Take my ring finger and I'm just patting, and you've got, not very long at all with this all-nighter before it sets. Once it's set, it's great because it does not budge, but you want to make sure it's in all the right places and blended properly before it sets. I haven't got long. You can see in my demo video that I literally do one eye at a time. It's amazing how much difference concealer makes, isn't it? I'm just going to set it with the Velvetizer because I just think the Velvetizer is really nice and lightweight. Not baking, we're literally setting here. So now I'm just going to quickly talk you through what I used in my skin, and then we'll finish off the skin and the eyes, everything together. For primer, I used the Urban Decay Self-Adjusting Complexion Primer just because I think out of all these primers, this one's my favourite. I really like this one. So I used that one. And then because this is like a going out look, I have used my all-nighter foundation. I've already done my brows. I cream contoured with a Shapeshifter palette, which we're just going to go in and powder contour as well now. Contour my nose. I'm just going to take away any excess shine. And I'm just going to use the Velvetizer for that, because with the all-nighter foundation, because it's quite matte, you don't really need like a major, you just need something really lightweight and translucent, and it's pretty matte anyway, but it's just where you know your skin and you know when you're going to get a bit shiny, as no matter what, the natural oils in your skin will come through. So and I'm just going to bronze, even though it's winter, but I just love to have a little bit of winter bronze. So I'm taking the Beach Bronzer and I'm just going to go. I am going to take this new product that I've got from Kryolan, and it is the HD Cream Liner, and this is the shade Aubergine. So can you see? You can't see there, but hang on, let me swatch it for you so you can see how aubergine it is. But that's the shade. Can you see? It's so nice, and it's just going to go so nicely with this palette. Angled eyeliner brush. Take this aubergine shade, and I'm going to go along my lower lash line, but going above the lashes like I normally do with my eyeliner. It's going to be quite wet at first, but it dries really quickly. Might just need to use the back of your hand to dab a bit above my lash, from on top of my lashes. And whatever's left on the brush, I'm then now going to go from underneath my lashes. And I'm also just, basically it's like I'm just pushing the colour along my lash line. And you really don't want too much product on the brush. Like it's like a nice defined look, but it's not black, so it doesn't look too harsh. But because the aubergine just brings out the cherry tones of this palette, which is so nice. I'm going to take a pencil brush. I'm going to take the cherry palette again. I'm going to take the shade Devilish and Privacy together, and I'm just going to go from under my lashes along my lower lash line. So now I'm just blending into that cream liner and just smoking out a bit. Then I'm going to take the shade Young Love, which is a really nice like deep berry shimmer. I'm just going to take a little bit of that and go along my lower lash line. It's right in a corner, but so you can see a little bit of shimmer, but not loads. Just brings out a little bit of shimmer. Another pencil brush, Afterglow highlighter, and this is the shade Sin, and I'm going to highlight my inner corner. And I just love this look because I just think it makes all the difference in my eye look. The other thing that makes all the difference when you're doing an eye look is mascara. And I'm just going to take my Inner Mascara mascara on, making sure I get all the lashes. Obviously false lashes would look great with this, but you know me, I don't really wear false lashes. Actually, not really, I just don't wear false lashes. So you can see the difference in the lashes. And then my bottom And obviously I got some mascara on my lid, so just taking the dry cotton bud. No avoiding that. That's the eyes done, and I'm going to take a blusher from the Back Talk palette. I'm going to take a little bit of Double Take and Low Key together. Just go on the apples of my cheeks. Before I powdered, I was supposed to do some cream blush, but I forgot. But if you want your blusher to last longer, I'll just do cream blush first. And I'm going to take this like rose goldy highlight here because I do love it. Love it. For my lips, I'm going to go out in with my Provoc eyeliner, lip liner in shade 18, Irresistible. I feel like I just can't not use this lip liner. And then I got sent a new shade from the Kat Von D Everlasting Lipsticks collection. And this is Love Craft. The one that I normally wear is called Love Sick, but I want to try this because it looks really, really similar. I think it's kind of got less blue undertones, and it goes really well with this look. Is the finished look using my Naked Cherry palette, which, oh my god, I cannot tell you how excited I was when I received the palette. Oh, it's such a lovely palette. So lovely. Oh my god. Love it. So, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please give me a big thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Snapchat. Hardly really use it these days, all about Instagram really. But take care guys, I will see you very, very soon. Bye guys.